Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat sejahtera. Okay, today I want to present my assignment, Flowchart and Pseud0cod3. My name is Muhammad Imurtaza bin Muhammad Shakafli. Metric no is 2P15016. Bachelor of Technology Electronic Industry is my course, and subject is System Programming Technology 1, NMT 11702. Okay, next. This is my assignment titled that Flowchart and Pseud0cod3. Here is my where my presentation begin. Contents of assignment is my content. Question 1, question 2, and question 3. For the question 1, introduce myself. I will tell the differential of flowchart and pseudocode. Differential between global and local declaration. Explanation and example of the application software. Explanation and differentiate between x++ and x++. Build C program to display the robot movement, and write a pseudocode to calculate the electricity bill charge. Okay, for the answer question 1A, this is my detail. My name is Muhammad Imurtaza bin Muhammad Shakafli. Age 21 years old. My birth of date is August 29, 2002. This is my address, Kampung Baru Taman Bunga, Adustar Kedah. Studies in University Malaysia Perlis. Unimed. My qualification outside and future plan is qualification diploma in technology electronic, now in continuing study in degree. Outside interest is playing badminton and fishing. My future plan is to be a professional integration machine outside. Okay, for the answer question 1B, difference between flowchart and pseudocode. What we know? Pseudocode and flowchart are both used in coding planning. Pseudocode is a step-to presentation of an algorithm, while a flowchart is a pictographical presentation of an algorithm. Pseudocode statements are written in simple English, and each statement represents an instruction, so it cannot be compiled into an executable program. A flowchart shows the process that needs to be followed with a shape or color to make the data flow easier to understand. Flowchart is suitable for communicating between non-technical people and programmers, while pseudocode is used to help developers plan out their code before writing it. I will show you the example between the flowchart and pseudocode. This is a flowchart. We have the symbol here, and the starter we use the oval, and for the error we use the line. Input and output with a parallelogram, and process rectangle represent. Addition, a diamond indicate. This is for addition. For the pseudocode, this is the title. This program is to print a number input from the user. Firstly, we need to put the start, read a number and set as an input. Set a count to 0. We need to put a variable. Not a variable. We need to declare it while count is less than 10. So this is output input print input. Print is mean output, and while and end. Next, answer question 1C. Difference between global and local declaration. Global variable is declared outside the function. Global variable is created as execution start and is lost when the program runs. Global is mean the variable or declaration is outside from the integer main. For the local, is inside the integer main. Let me see the local. Local variable is declared inside the function, yes, inside the integer main. Local variable are created when the function has started. Execution is lost when the function terminates. So we see the example for these two. Global example. This is the example programming. Here A and B are global variable. Yes, global printf integer here A and B is outside from the void main. For the local, x and y, integer x and y are inside the void main. This is the local. Next, answer question 1D, the application software. Software designed to handle a specific user task. Such of software direct the computer to execute command given by user. Application software is created to help user accomplish various functions on their computer or device. It is the software that user interact with directly to perform tasks, be it work, entertainment, or personal. This is very good. Application software to help our job in various tasks. Example of application software. We know the Microsoft product like Office, Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. They also include the application software to do our assignment, work processor, spreadsheet, database. This is the application software inside the picture. We go to the answer question 1E. Explain and differentiate x++ and x. In x++, this operator x++ we call it post increment. In this operator increment, the current value of x is used, and then x is increment by 1. The increment takes place after the value is used in the expression. For the ++x, what we know the ++x, the name is pre-increment. It's not same ++x, we call it post-increment, and x++x, we call it pre-increment. In this pre-increment operator, x is incremented by 1 first, and then the update value is used in the expression. The increment takes place before the value is used in the expression. That we see the example coding. This is example for x++. we see the integer x plus plus. Integer x is 5, and then we put the operator x plus plus. This is post increment. The result is x will become 6, and then the result become 5. The result will become 5, and x becomes 6 because the x plus the x5 will plus by 1, so the result is 5. And the plus plus x, the pre-increment, the x we are declaring 5. We put the operator plus plus x. When we run the programming, the x becomes 6, and the result becomes 6. X will plus by 1, and then the result will change to the 6. We'll take the number x, so the result is 6. For the answer question 2, this programming for running the robot. Move forward or backward here. This is the flowchart. Start, we need to put the start first, and then the input, symbol input. We need to put down number, decision number 2, and 3 output. Okay, what we know when the user enter the number input, if the number equal to 1, if the input number is 1 equal to 1, it's true, the robot will move forward. If false, they goes to number 2. If the number 2 equal to 2, if the number is true, the decision is true, the output move forward, the robot will move forward, and then goes. And if these two decision is not same, is not true, then false. When the input number is false and this decision also false, the output movement will invalid. The robot will not move and then go into end. This is an example in the C programming lah. We call it the integer number instruction. We need to integer it first. Movement forward, reverse. Enter the numbers of the robot to move. 1 is the forward, 2 is backward or reverse. Okay, this scan F for the save the numbers. If number instruction is equal to 1, robot will going forward. Else if number instruction equal to 2, from the user input 2, the movement robot will going backward. Else from these two decisions, the robot is invalid. The instruction was invalid, so the robot cannot move. For the next question is 3a. This question is to identify the input and output. Okay, in input we have 3 month electricity charge. We have first month, second month, and 3 month. So the 3 month input, output, users consumption is low, users consumption medium, and users consumption high. We have 3 input. We have 3 output here. And for the calculation, average of the bill charge. This is the calculation for the charge bill. Answer for question 3b. This problem is to calculate the sum and average electricity bill charge. Then it determine the started users consumption of the electricity. We need to put the global title first, and then we start from the start. This first we need to explain what the circuit need to do. Firstly, put the start, and then enter the bill for the month 1, month 2, month 3 to declare it. So calculate the total. This is a revision. Calculate total bill charge. Bill month 1, month 2, and month 3 need to sum, and then calculate the average bill charge. To calculate the average bill charge, we need to take the sum of the total bill charge divide by 3 months. If average bill charge less or equal than 39.99 ringgit, the print user consumption is low. This is the output. Okay, else if the average bill charge is between 40 ringgit and equal to 109.99 cent, the output will print user consumption is medium. So the output is medium. Not in this decision, or the bill charge is higher than 109.99 cent, it will print the user's consumption is high. And if and so this is only in my presentation. Thank you.